Before you commit to buying Liquid Web, there are 7 crucial things you need to know. In this video, we're diving into the key features and how it compares to other popular hosting providers so you can make an informed decision. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly whether Liquid Web is the right choice for your business or website. Now, if you're considering Liquid Web, you can try the software completely free through the first link in the description below. But let's jump right in and take a closer look. First up, Liquid Web is known for its high-quality managed hosting services. If you're comparing it to giants like Bluehost or SiteGround, you'll quickly notice the difference. Liquid Web focuses more on high-performance hosting for businesses that need more power, scalability, and a premium service. Unlike some competitors, where you might get overwhelmed with upsells, Liquid Web's plans are clear and tailored to more serious users, especially those who prioritize uptime and fast load times. Next thing you'll want to know is the customer support. Liquid Web prides itself on offering 24/7 support through phone, chat, and email. And it's not just basic support, their team is highly skilled and ready to resolve complex issues. For small businesses or serious entrepreneurs who depend on their websites being up 24/7, this is a major perk. Many other hosts, like HostGator, are known to have slower or less knowledgeable support, so this is a key advantage for Liquid Web. The third thing to consider is their managed WordPress hosting. While a lot of hosts, like WP Engine, specialize in WordPress, Liquid Web takes it a step further by combining powerful hardware with WordPress-specific features. You get automatic updates, enhanced security, and optimized performance right out of the box. If you're running a business on WordPress, this is a major selling point. The fourth thing is their pricing. Unlike cheaper hosts like GoDaddy or DreamHost, Liquid Web's pricing is on the higher end, but that's because they offer a premium service. If you're running a business that needs robust performance, like an e-commerce site or a high-traffic blog, the extra investment might be worth it. But if you're just starting out with a small personal site, there are cheaper options available. Next up, let's talk about scalability. Liquid Web really shines here. Whether you're starting with a small website or running a massive enterprise-level platform, Liquid Web can grow with you. Their managed VPS and dedicated server options are flexible, making it easier to scale your site without worrying about performance issues. Competitors like SiteGround or A2 Hosting may offer scalability, but you'll find more limitations and additional costs as you grow. The sixth thing to know is the security features. Liquid Web is one of the most secure hosting providers out there. They offer automatic daily backups, free SSL certificates, and proactive security patches. In comparison to other hosting services, such as Bluehost or A2 Hosting, which sometimes require you to pay extra for certain security features, Liquid Web's comprehensive security setup is included with all their plans. The last thing is the excellent uptime guarantee. Liquid Web guarantees 100% uptime for their managed hosting services. In the rare case that your site goes down, they'll credit you. This level of reliability is something that other providers, like HostGator or InMotion Hosting, can't always match. If uptime is a priority for you, Liquid Web stands out as a top contender. So, there you have it, 7 essential things you should know before buying Liquid Web. If you're looking for high-performance hosting, superior customer support, and premium features, it's definitely worth considering. And if you want to test it for yourself, don't forget to click the first link in the description below for an exclusive free trial and additional benefits. Thanks for watching.